everybody, welcome back for another video. And I'm here today because when I filmed the setup of this notebook, I had some people ask me about these type of items. I'll just bring it to the camera. Here's one of my post-it notes that I printed on, and I have a whole bunch back here that are just the notes one. And these I have found in two different places. One on an Etsy store and one on a Facebook group. So we're going to talk about that briefly today. So there are two places that I have found them. The first place where I got something like this was, I'll bring it closer to the camera, was at List Lab or JlDesignStudio on Etsy, and that is the web address. She, actually, I have notes in my planner. Imagine that. There it is, printable post-its. And she has two different designs. She has them for this size, the what is it, 3" by 3", and she also has them for the smaller ones, the 1.5" by 2". But I don't use that size post-it note, so I didn't want to buy them because, you know, it would be an expense that I wouldn't use. So when you purchase these from her shop, I'll set that post-it over there, you get you get 4 PDF files. The let me get that. You get a file that looks like this, and it's a template for your post-its. And you actually get 15 different designs. You get one that says today's focus and inspiration, so you can do a little post-it. Your AM and PM routines, so you can do one, or one for each. Notes, must do, wish list, and before you leave. And then the other one you get is, where is it? I thought I printed it. Here it is. It is a task list, a habit tracker, so you can move it around through your planner if you need to, since it's on a post-it. What's for dinner, connect with, grocery list, and appointments. Now, you actually get 2 of each file. One of them you will see has the square on it, and this one I printed just so you can see that it doesn't have that. So what you do is you print this one first, and this happens for both of the shops. You print it first, and then you line up as best you can a post-it note. I didn't do too good a job. And then you send it through your printer, and whatever you have in that square will get printed on this post-it note. So I don't want to waste a post-it, but these were the post-its that I talked about, the colors that I got the last time I went to Office Depot. I thought they were really nice. So her 2 designs, what they look like, I printed them on that kind of chartreusey color. So as you can see, if I needed to put in my planner, here we are today. I did kind of sleep in. I've got a student tonight. I've got to work on some orders and go to the post office. And then this I ended up doing last night. And this I'm doing right now. But say I needed should have pulled it off the other way, something like today's focus or inspiration, I could just post that in right there. So it's quite an ingenious system of doing things. So that is her design. So and this set, these are the 15 that you get. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there's another one. There's either 12 or 15 you get. I think there's another sheet that I didn't print. So you have those. And I will link the Etsy shop down below. Now, the next one is from Peanuts Planner Co. So this one is from Peanuts Planner Co. and I got it from the Facebook group. And let me pull my note back out again. Hers are only the 3x3. They are free because it's an old design that she doesn't support anymore. So if you have a problem with it, she won't, give you any assistance because it's a free design that she doesn't make anymore. But she gives you a couple of different files. First, you get this file, which, again, like with the other one, you would put your I did a horrible job. But you would put your Post-it note in the square, and then you would print from the other file onto here. And she gives you a couple of different options. She gives you a monthly bills and notes, online orders to buy, a to-do checklist. Let me bring these up so you can see them. So she gives you monthly bills, notes, online orders to buy, a to-do checklist, and a weekly tracker. So she gives you them all on one page that you can print, or she gives you a whole page of just monthly bills. There's a whole page of monthly bills. There's a whole page of notes. So if all you use are the notes, that's the only file you have to download. Here's a whole page of the online orders. Here's a whole page of the to-buys. Here's a whole page of the to-do checklists. And there should be one more. And here is the weekly tracker. And I think that that's a really nice idea, the weekly trackers that both of them have. This one tends to be a little bit smaller, so you might be able to fit in a few more items. But the ones that I use the most are the notes. So I printed an extra page of the notes in this color because I wanted to see what it looked like. So just so you can see side by side the difference. And they're both really nice design. So here you can see a side by side. This one here is the JlDesign, or the List Lab. It's a little bit larger of a font. Here is the Peanuts Planner Co. And I mean, even if you didn't have Post-it notes, you could print this, cut it out, and then, use some washi tape and tack it in your book. So the Post-it notes aren't necessarily something that you have to have. Same thing with these, you could just, cut, and, there you've got, little notes that you can washi tape in. So, there you go. I know it's, I'm gonna get these all organized again. I know it's kind of a quick little video, but it really isn't that complicated at all. What I will do is I will link down below both shops. Well, I'll link the shop on Etsy, and then I will try to get the link for the Facebook group. I think, you have to be a member of Facebook, and it's actually easy. So if you just go to Facebook and then you search Peanuts Planner Co., not the actual business page, but the group page. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.